recording now.
Dad, can I take that?
Yes.
This is from Mariana.
Oh,
Leo, careful.
This is from Mariana, Nicholas, Michael, Raphael and Costin.
You.
Lucky girl, look. Lovely, lovely. 18 to 24 months. Wow.
24 months is
Congratulations.
double a year.
You've got some more presents today. Pull them out. What's in here? Magdalena, look. Have a look. Mummy.
Cold one's Red Rally.
Magdalena, look.
Yum. What is that?
Dress.
Oh wow.
Magdalena, dresses.
Who gave her that?
It's from Mummy and Daddy.
Oh yeah. I didn't see that.
Oh, is that on the floor? That's a good idea. Look.
Oh, pizza tin. No solid room.
Michael. Oh, Johnny. What Johnny's for you? What's else? Selena, look. Mariella. Look, what have you got?
It's a money box.
It's a money box. Look. A babushka doll. Yes, doll. See, Dolly. And you also.
Just throw them in the book.
Oh, Peppa Pig stuff.
Look. Books.
Oh look, she's got a Peppa Pig cake and
Yes,
she's
you got Peppa Pig books. Look to match. They're lovely. You lucky girl. There you go.
You got a loan, Mariana.
Lucky girl.
Mariella, say hi.
Hi.
Leo, say hi.
Hi.
Michael, say hi.
Why can you do look stupid?
Thomas, say hello.
Thomas, say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Thomas, you've got a big head. Mummy, say hi. Daddy, say hi.
There's Daddy.
Why are you tilting it? Are we on our side now?
Yes, that's a
It's
good
a
idea.
video.
Oh, Magdalena. Where are
Shiny
you?
hat.
Magdalena.
Shiny time.